So, what did the buffalo say off to his son? I swear everything just falls apart whenever I tell a joke. Okay, quick question. What did the buffalo say to his son whenever he went off to college? Bye, son. Don't act like you didn't laugh at that. That's a pretty good one. What up, guys, and welcome back to the FitMenCook kitchen. For today's quickie recipe, I've got a great one for you. Today we're going to be making a barbecue chicken salad. And what I love about this is that this is a personal challenge for me. A lot of people talk about eating salads and that they hate them because they're not really interesting. Well, today I'm going to show you a very easy way to make your salad not so boring, and I'm going to take out all of the guesswork. One thing we're gonna do is we're gonna chop it up. Whenever you chop up a fresh salad, you get to mix and marinate and flavor the salad in its own natural juices first. So first thing is that it's not gonna be dry. And the second thing, it's gonna add tons more flavor, and you're gonna trick yourself, seriously, into eating a lot more vegetables than you normally would. For the barbecue chicken recipe, it's gonna be a really simple and quick and easy one. This is particularly helpful if you are at a place where you do not have a grill or it's not grilling season outside just yet. You can cook everything into a skillet and then put it into the oven. It's a very simple recipe. And finally, to boost the flavors just a bit, we are going to give a big nod to my Tex-Mex roots. We're gonna add in some roasted corn. Listen, if your grill is already fired up and ready to go, then I invite you to roast that corn and then add that roasted corn to the salad. But if your grill's not working just yet, we are going to cook it inside of the skillet. And then we're gonna boost the flavors even more with the delicious avocado crema. You could use it here in this salad, or you could use it on anything else. Trust me, only thing that I can tell you is that just try to practice some moderation, because it's just that darn good. It's gonna make it really creamy and savory and a little bit of saltiness. Woo, I'm telling you, this salad has so much flavor. You are gonna be like, dang, did I really just eat 1 pound of vegetables and some barbecue chicken? Yes, the answer is yes. Let's get started. First thing we're gonna make is the avocado crema. So, gonna add half of an avocado. This is some plain Greek yogurt. You can also use regular yogurt, or if you wanna keep this plant-based, you can use some coconut yogurt. Just make sure that if you use the coconut yogurt, it is the plain coconut yogurt. 2 garlic cloves and fresh cilantro. Don't be afraid to actually add in the stem, because the stem is where a lot of that rich cilantro flavor is. Some fresh lime. A splash of water, and some sea salt and pepper. Pop the top and blend this up until it's nice and smooth. And as it blends, you can add in a little bit of water to loosen it up. Do a quick taste for flavor. This is perfect. Now we're gonna prep the protein and then fire up the skillet. Here I got some chicken tenders. I'm gonna add in a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder as well, and then a pinch of sea salt and pepper. Get your hands dirty real quick. All right, fire up a nonstick skillet, place it on some medium-high heat. Gonna spray our skillet with a little bit of oil, toss in some frozen corn. This is a quick nod to my southern heritage, some southern roots. And all we want to do here is just sear the corn. We don't need a bunch of seasoning here, because we're going to already have a lot of flavor coming from the avocado crema and from the barbecue sauce. So just a pinch of salt and pepper is really all you need, if that. Give this another quick stir and then remove it from the heat and set it aside. Place the skillet back on the heat, spray it with a little bit more oil. Make sure it's nice and hot. Then we're gonna add in our chicken tenders. It doesn't take long for chicken tenders to cook through, so just make sure you get a nice good sear on them. And this exact same recipe, guys, you can replicate it on the grill, so that way you can enjoy the outside weather. You can also get the nice smoky flavors. And when the chicken is just about finished cooking, we're gonna pour in a little bit of our barbecue sauce here, and just shake and toss just like this. Could get a little messy in your kitchen, but that's okay. And then bake this in the oven for about 6 to 8 minutes at 420. Okay, now it's time to prep the salad. So the most important thing is that you want to make sure that you have a really clean surface because we're gonna make a chopped salad. So if you wanna use a large chopping block, you can do that. I got one of these. It's a really great investment into your kitchen because it helps to keep everything sanitary and it's easy to chop on. Add in your favorite ingredients. So I'm gonna add in some lettuce, and I want you to be really liberal with the veggies. Because the cool thing about a chopped salad is that you would never eat this entire thing just by itself, but with a chopped salad, because everything is chopped together and mixed together, you actually don't even think about it. And you are eating literally about a pound of vegetables. It's really cool. Some spinach, some colorful bell peppers, cucumber, some cilantro, and then a little bit of onion. Grab the biggest and the sharpest knife you have in your kitchen and just begin to chop. Just like this. And see how I'm chopping it and keep my fingers up, just for safety reasons. And then once you chop it one way, then chop it the other. And you go until you reach your desired texture and consistency. This is just right for me. And now looking at it this way, it doesn't look like so much, does it? Told you, chopped salads will change your life. Add it to our mixing bowl. And our final add to this chopped salad is our beautiful roasted corn. Set this off, get a nice hint of sweetness in there. And you say you don't like salads. Ha! Please! You're gonna eat this salad. Add in our beautiful pieces of barbecue chicken, right there on the side. And last but not least, our avocado crema. So you know what they say, that some things are much better inside of a wrap. Well, no one really says that, but I'm gonna say it. So we're gonna take our barbecue chicken and we're gonna chop it up the same way that we did our vegetables. Add some salad to it, fold everything together. No need to re-chop it here. And add to it our avocado crema. Grab a low-carb whole wheat tortilla, add our salad, fold in the sides, and then roll it up. This is such a fantastic way to incorporate a lot more vegetables into your diet. I guarantee that when you chop up the salad, you're going to be eating so much more of it. Choice is up to you, but I guarantee you will love this salad, guys. It's just banging, seriously. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that y'all really enjoyed it. I know for one thing that you are really going to love the salad, especially the avocado crema. Be sure that you make it your own. So if you want to add a little bit of heat, toss in a pepper. If you want to make it just a tad bit sweeter, then toss in a little bit of agave, but just keep it calorie conscious. And again, the benefit of doing a chopped salad is that you end up eating a lot more vegetables than you normally would. Plus, when you chop them together, the salad naturally marinates itself in its own flavors and its own juices, so you get a completely different flavor experience. If you are doing this for meal prep, be sure that you keep the avocado crema separate from the salad, and then even the morning of, you may want to consider if you can spare 2 or 3 minutes to chop up the salad fresh each morning. But again, the choice is up to you. All right, guys, I want to thank y'all for watching. Until next time, keep it healthy, but of course, never ever boring. Ooh! Bye, guys.